Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HubSpot CRM import for contacts and companies, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Contacts tab on the top menu. Click on Contacts to access the Contacts dashboard. In the Contacts dashboard, look for the Import button. Click on the Import button to start the import process. You will be presented with two options, File Upload and Connect an App. Choose File Upload if you have a spreadsheet ready. Select Next to proceed to the File Upload page. Click the Drag and Drop Your Files Here area to upload your document. Select the CSV or Excel file containing your contacts or companies. Once uploaded, click Next to continue. HubSpot will prompt you to map your columns to their properties. Carefully match each column with the relevant property in HubSpot. If any columns do not match, you can create a new property. Once all columns are mapped, click Next to review your import. In the review screen, confirm that all information is correct. If everything looks good, click Finish Import. You'll see a progress bar indicating the import status. Once the import is complete, you will receive a notification. Check the Contacts dashboard to verify that your contacts and companies have been imported. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Import Error Report for assistance. That's how you activate the HubSpot CRM import for contacts and companies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.